Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Johnny with JCS Performance. It's no secret that we are big fans of the Star Racing cams and their products. I wanted to show you some of the stuff we have here. So we now have these in stock, and they're up on our website. And so let's start off with valve springs and valve kit here. So these are 2.5 millimeter over valves, intake and exhaust valves. It comes with their valve springs, titanium top collars and keepers, and these are for a 650 lift cam. We are now going to start using their lifter cuffs. The reason why is because it gives us the opportunity to run a higher lift cam. If you notice this little notch right there, that notch is where your lifter runs and guides through, and so that is a higher it's up higher, so you can run a higher lift cam and not have any issues. Of course, their compensator ramp, this thing is amazing, nice polish. Like I talked about it before, there is no burrs, no sharp edges. um, Very, very nice. So we are going to carry all the cams here. So we have here the 3030 cam. So this is a bolt-in cam for your Gen 1 M8 models. And this is the M28 cam. Now this is a real nice cam. It's a higher lift cam compared to the 3030, but this bolts into your Gen 2 models. So they do come with a higher spring pack. So you'll be able to run the M28, get a higher lift, aggressive idle sound on your Gen 2 models. Then the F35 cam. This cam does very well on your 117s and higher, but you must run a higher lift springs with this cam here. 3/4 cam. This cam's real good in between the 121s and 124s, 128s. Makes real good power and up in the higher RPM range. And of course, the F47 cam. The F47 cam is a real nice cam for bigger builds, 131s and 135s. This really wakes up your 131 motors. So guys, we have these up on our website. We must say that if you check out using the website, we have some financing available. I believe we have Klarna and PayPal and a bunch of other different ways you can check out and get your stuff on finance. So if you guys have any questions regarding these parts, reach out to the shop or message us on Instagram. Once again, guys, thanks for watching.